Today, we're diving into one of the most breathtaking modern cars that blends classic styling with cutting-edge engineering, the Tomaso P72. This machine is more than just a car. It's a sculpture on wheels, a tribute to the golden era of motoring, and a statement of what happens when design and performance meet perfection. The Tomaso P72 was first unveiled at the 2019 Goodwood Festival of Speed, and it immediately captivated enthusiasts around the world. Designed as his homage to the brand's original 1960-racing prototype, the P72 carries a retro-futuristic aesthetic that feels like it belongs in both a concours d'élégance and a science fiction movie. From the exterior, the P72 is jaw-dropping. Its flowing lines, teardrop profile, and sweeping curves evoke a sense of timeless elegance. The exposed carbon fiber bodywork is finished to the highest standards, available in a range of bespoke colors. Those sculpted fenders, long rear deck, and low-slung nose aren't just for show. They reflect a design philosophy that values emotion as much as aerodynamics. The headlights are modern but feature a vintage spirit in space, while the rear taillights are ring-shaped and emit a warm, glowing aura. Every panel looks like it was shaped by hand, and that's because it was. The Tomaso emphasizes craftsmanship at every corner of the P72. Step inside, and the interior is unlike anything else on the market today. It feels like stepping into a vintage Swiss watch. There's copper and polished aluminum detailing everywhere, from the switches to the exposed gear linkage. Leather is stretched and stitched over nearly every surface in rich, warm tones, creating a cabin that feels more like a tailored lounge than a cockpit. The analog dials are beautifully sculpted, with no digital displays in sight. The instrument cluster and toggle switches recall aircraft from a bygone era, and even the steering wheel looks more like a piece of art than a driving tool. It's a celebration of analog purity in an increasingly digital world. Performance-wise, the Tomaso P72 doesn't just rely on good looks. Underneath its elegant skin lies a carbon fiber monocoque chassis developed in partnership with Apollo Automotive. This provides a rock-solid base for performance and safety. Power comes from a supercharged 5-liter V8 developed by Roush Engineering. It's expected to produce around 700 horsepower, sent to the rear wheels through a 6-speed manual That's right. No paddle shifters here, just a proper gated manual gearbox that connects you directly to the machine. The driving experience is designed to be visceral and mechanical, a love letter to driving purists. What's truly remarkable about the P72 is that it balances performance with comfort. It's not just a track day monster. It's designed to be a grand tourer, something you could drive across a country in, while turning heads at every stoplight. And because of its lightweight carbon fiber structure, it offers an impressive power-to-weight ratio without compromising on refinement. As for price, exclusivity doesn't come cheap. The Tomaso P72 is limited to just 72 units worldwide, with each car priced at around $1 million, 0 cents. And that's before you dive into customization options, which are virtually unlimited. Every car is hand-built and tailored to the owner's desires, making each P72 a unique masterpiece. In a world filled with digital dashboards, hybrid drivetrains, and driver-assist tech, the Tomaso P72 stands as a beacon for the true enthusiast. It's romantic, raw, and unapologetically beautiful. It's a rare reminder that cars can still be art, that driving can still be an experience, and that emotion is just as important as engineering. If you ever get the chance to see one in person, take a moment. Because the Tomaso P72 isn't just a car, it's a dream brought to life on 4 wheels.